gates open, they're up and racing. J. Jewel running by the rail is Cheese Blanca. Papa Ethan running on the outside. Extraordinary racing in fourth. Then moving up by the rail, Fairwind running on the outside. My Wife Knows All, while Fireworks running second last, and trailing the group is Carmelo. Past the 900 meters post with J. Jewel in command by 3/4 of a length lead. Cheese Blanca is running by the rail second. Then racing in third, Papa Ethan. Extraordinary, My Wife Knows All down in fifth. Fairwind, Fireworks, and a long way back to Carmelo as they race towards the last 450. J. Jewel still leading the field. Cheese Blanca is by the rail. Papa Ethan remains in third. Extraordinary as they turn for home. It's still a battle royal in front. Running on the outside, J. Jewel. Cheese Blanca is by the rail. Papa Ethan with 150 to go. Cheese Blanca, J. Jewel is on the outside. Papa Ethan in third. Cheese Blanca, J. Jewel, Papa Ethan. But it's Cheese Blanca, J. Jewel, Papa Ethan, and finally Cheese Blanca, J. Jewel, Papa Ethan. My Wife Knows All, and Extraordinary.
A 6, 7, 8, 5, 9 unofficial order.